Morning, welcome to Fixers. So here we are checking a split type air conditioner. They called it Pensonic inverter. So when we came here, the room is not cooling, so we decided to check the remote whether there is an error occurred. Just long press the check button by the tip of the ball pen, then scroll down. F97 showing error, and no more, only F97. So according to his own library, F97 is compressor overheating protection. So we will check the downside, the condenser coil. Overheating protection means the compressor sensor. So here Pensonic will try to check the ampere. Try to wear my gloves for the safety of us. So it's 0.2. We'll try to wait if the compressor is running. It shows pressure over 250. There's the temperature compressor sensor. This one will sense if the compressor is overheating. Now the ampere is going 0.8. The compressor is running. I feel it with my flat screw, and it's vibrating, and the gauge is not pulling down. So it means the mechanical problem is already damaged, and I can hear the noise that it's gurgling sounds. Then we will wait for the condensing motor to run. So 1.2 shows here 6.6. So it's not pumping. See, it's running. Compressor is running but not pumping. Mechanical problem. 1.4. It's not sucking. The gauge is not pulling down. So we turn off. Actually, when we came here, we checked the compressor is already hot. So we try to water therapy to cool it down. After cooling down, we try to run. The compressor is running but not pumping. So this one will sense the F97 overheating compressor. So this one, mechanical problem. It will overheat the compressor and it will sense by this compressor sensor. So that's all for today. Good luck. So we will replace this compressor if the customer will agree. Okay, thank you and always welcome to Fixer.